Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a Slack workspace. So, let's start. First, open your Slack application. Then click on the name of your workspace located at the top left corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, click on Add Workspaces, then select Create a new workspace. You will be directed in this page, and here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a new Slack workspace. So first, enter your email address. Check your email for a code to enter it in these boxes. Here, enter your team or company name. Next, invite your team members to join. After that, enter what your team is working on. Once your workspace has been created, you can customize it by adding channels, setting up integrations, and inviting additional team members. To invite team members to join your Slack workspace, click on the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen, then select Invite People from the menu that appears. From here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite and send them an invitation to join your workspace. You can also customize your workspace by clicking on the workspace name and then selecting Settings and Administration. From here, you can access various settings and options from your workspace, such as changing the name or URL of the workspace by clicking Edit Workspace Details. You can also manage the app and manage the members. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to set up a Slack workspace, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.